Indeed, the midterm polls have just wrapped up, but the so-called traditional opposition is already preparing for the presidential elections on 2028. Their possible bet, Senator Risa Hontiveros, and she says she's ready for it. Mobile journalist Isa Abelio has the report.
I'm open to all possibilities. I'm not saying no.
This is Senator Risa Hontiveros' answer to being the traditional opposition standard bearer in the 2028 presidential elections. Even as the 2025 polls just wrapped up, the lawmaker admits her group is already in the process of preparing for what's next. Hontiveros hopes her allies feels the same way she does about the matter.
At yun yung hinihingi ko din sa lahat na mga kasama sa opposition or independent bloc na maging bukas kami sa lahat ng possibilities at sa isa't isa, alang-alang sa oposisyon at alang-alang sa ating mga kababayan.
For now, Hontiveros says the priority is to consolidate the forces of the opposition in the next 9 months. She plans to reach out not only to allies, but to supporters and others who helped them in the campaign.
I do feel na mas nakapag-accumulate kami ng kahit konti pang mas maraming kapangyarihan sa ngayon as affirmed, as validated ng ating mga botante. So yung hindi namin na-maximize na pagkakataon ng 2022 na mag-consolidate, we have that rare second chance now.
Hontiveros is also ready to lead the minority in case she will be joined by returning Senators Bam Aquino and Kiko Pangilinan in the bloc.
Wish ko na magsama kami sa minority o sa isang independent bloc. Pero alam nyo naman, kaming lahat ng mga senador dito, we have our own decision-making process. Pero walang hard and fast na usapan na singilan ngayon sa isa't isa. So ito ang pagsara ng 19th Congress at sa pagbukas ng 20th Congress, kailangan at nagsimula na kaming mag-usap last week para mag-level off ano yung magiging disposisyon ng bawat isa and therefore ano yung magiging organizational shape.
Still, there's that possibility that the minority label might go to the allies of former President Rodrigo Duterte at the upper chamber. If this comes to pass, Hontiveros would rather opt out.
Kung sinasabi nilang opposition sila, senyales na naghahanda silang mag-vie para maging minority bloc or minority dito sa Senado. Kung makukuha nila yung label ng minority, may option pa rin po ako or kami kung magdesisyon po kami na isang independent bloc na magpapatuloy talaga sa pag-check and balance, magpapatuloy sa pag-fiscalize at pati sa labas ng Senado, magpapatuloy sa pagbubuo ng oposisyon. Pareho sa Duterte at kina Presidente.
Joining the majority bloc is also out of the question.
Sapat na yung nakaraang 9 na taon, marami-rami ang napagtulungan sa mga miyembro ng majority. Depende sa mga advocacies, maraming happy bills na itinawag, maraming investigasyon din, maraming budget interventions. Pero para sa akin, para maging consistent sa nakaraang 9 na taon at lalong maging consistent sa mga susunod na taon hanggang 2028, 2034, 2040, importanteng manatiling consistent na hindi sumali sa majority, lalo na kung hindi naman ako kaalyado ng administrasyon at mag-provide ng alternative pole or center of gravity.
What if her allies vote a different way when it comes to the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte? Hontiveros says, no problem, no hard feelings.
Sa karanasan ko sa nakaraang 3 minorities, kanya-kanyang boto pa rin. But of course, we talk. May kumbinsihan or minsan ang best case scenarios may usapan na pare-pareho naman ang pananaw natin so pare-pareho ang aming mga boto. But as you have observed, may mga pagkakataon din na may divergences.
Mobile journalist Isa Abelio, we are One News.